Hey, look, come here. I'm not gonna arrest you on bullshit. All right? This is just for the time being. You're just being detained. Come on.
On November 5th, 2022, the Broward County Sheriff stops a white sports car for a check. On board, it is discovered that Kahan Kapri, better known as Kodak Black, a rapper, is traveling. In 2019, he was sentenced to 46 months in prison for knowingly providing false information on federal forms to obtain a firearm from a federal firearms dealer. He was later released in January 2021 when Donald Trump granted him clemency.
It's gonna be Delta 1, Charlie X-ray Tango.
I ain't got my ID. I'm just trying to get a toothbrush, bro.
You got your ID, buddy? You can record.
Come on.
You can record. I don't think you want to smoke right here on paper. Exactly. So relax. Give me your ID. Alright, just relax. Give me your ID.
I don't have my
I know your name. Give me your ID. Your ID. You don't got ID? You know your social and stuff? Any weapons in the car?
There's no weapons, sir. I promise.
Okay.
Bro.
Sure.
I could get a toothbrush and just go to sleep. I'll go back to sleep.
Okay. When I figure everything out, you'll be on your way, bro.
That's it, bro.
I'm not trying to cause you any more issues.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, sir.
Just wait for my backup. I'll check you guys out. If you're good, you're good.
Yeah, all right.
What's your first name? Damon? Okay.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Yeah, bro.
4 Brown 6. You got a 94 coming? Go for it.
Do you need us to step it up?
No, I just had a lot of background. I wasn't sure if the transmissions went through. You got any bud in the car? You're smoking in here? You don't smoke weed at all? Or was somebody smoking in your car?
I was smoking black like last night.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, it smells like weed.
I don't smoke weed.
Okay. There's no packs, nothing in the car?
I ain't nothing. Searching.
Man. Why'd you pull in here? You just came from a gas station. You're
Because
just on 14th
they have no toothbrush. I know that van told you that it saw me. You know what I'm saying?
What van?
I saw a blue van with it was up by the lights. But
Nah,
I'm like, I ain't got nothing.
you got a blacked out car. Is this car registered to you?
Okay. This is my mom's car.
Okay.
I'm trying to get a toothbrush from the store. If you go back to that store, you see they don't have no toothbrush.
I saw your boy hopped out. He went inside the store. Somebody stayed in the handicap.
But I'm like, you know what?
You don't got a handicap.
I'm like, I
could
ain't
have
got
taken you there, but I didn't want
I
to.
feel you, sir.
So I waited.
I'm like, you know, I ain't got nothing to worry about. I can jump out. Even though I'm me and people like probably feel like, you know what, we want to be on them. I'm like, I ain't got nothing to worry about. I'm gonna stop over here and get a toothbrush. I'm like, I don't feel I have no reason around guns, nothing. I just try to get a toothbrush, go back. That's it, sir.
Alright. I believe you. I'm gonna help you out. As soon as my partner comes, I'll help you out. If I don't want to right now, no tickets, no nothing.
Thank you, sir.
I'll help you out. Just relax. You gotta ride around with your license. I don't know why you don't got your license. That's a no-no. And then you got no license. You don't got ID on you either.
That's my look at it.
You don't carry ID.
Okay, 751 with 4 Bravo 4. 1008 hours.
4 Brown 6. Just let my 94 know I'm in the Exxon parking lot. Where you stay out here? What city? From Broward?
I'm at the hotel like that. I got my
you have a Florida ID or is it another?
I got a Florida ID.
Florida is your main residence? Is it in Broward or Miami? Broward. The address on the license going to be correct?
Yeah, this is my mom. My baby mom from Chicago down here with me and stuff like that. We about to go to Boomers later on with my kids and stuff
okay.
like that.
I'm just trying to figure out your ID.
Alright.
I'm just waiting for this guy to come so I can run you on the computer, alright? I just can't go back there by myself.
Okay. I'll go to Boomers in a little bit with my son and my baby mom. That's it.
Trust me, I'm not gonna fuck you over for some bullshit.
For no bullshit. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
4 Bravo 5, copy 1087, 1011 hours.
Stand by with him.
At this point, the Broward County Sheriff handcuffs and secures Kodak Black in his car after checking his recent offenses and witnessing him driving with a revoked driver's license.
Hey, look, come here. I'm not gonna arrest you on bullshit. All right? This is just for the time being. You're just being detained. Come on, officially. All right. You know your license is no good, but I'm not too worried about that. That's a ticket, right? That's a ticket.
Delta 51, are you still subject to 419 or on the floor? I'm sorry.
No, I meant to advise. I'm standing by on the CSA's call, and then I'll head over there. If you can just let him know I apologize for the ETA. I'm trying to wrap things up here.
That's right. I'll call back the for that for you and let them know that it'll be first available. And then
Keep your head
I'll
low.
just keep you in status pending.
I appreciate you.
I'll put you in the back seat so nobody sees you.
So, go back, man. Switch over to tire one.
Only his money in there. I'm gonna leave your cash on you, alright? Come back here and we'll put you in the car. Sit in there, chill, I'm gonna work with you, alright? Scoot that over. There's no weapons in there, right? Nothing stupid? Nothing stupid?
I'm not riding like that. I'm riding on the bullshit.
Alright.
You see, like, when you check my pocket, you see, I ain't tell, like, I ain't doing bullshit. I ain't.
You got no.
You know what I mean? I don't have nothing. But man, you can check me. The way you, I ain't doing no bullshit.
Okay, your boy right here, he's like 15. How old is he? 17?
That's my little cousin. I told you I just put the seal. You tell my teeth not right.
Who can you call right now to come pick up your car and drive you guys?
That's my mom's car.
Who can come pick up your mom's car and drive it so you don't go to, so it doesn't get towed? You're on a revoked license, dude. I can't, and he has a suspended license.
I'm gonna put it up. I ain't gonna ride around. I'm gonna ride around.
The sheriff, after checking Kodak Black's car and not finding anything suspicious like alcohol or drugs, returns to the young man, explaining that he cannot drive the car away himself since his driver's license is revoked.
Look, I'm not gonna take you to jail. I know you've been arrested on other bullshit charges in the past and shit. I'm not on that. Your license is no good. I'm gonna give you a ticket for that. That's what you're gonna get. That's a ticket.
My baby mom at the hotel. She got like.
You can call her.
Yeah.
She'll be here quick.
Yeah.
We'll call her. We'll stand by. We're not even gonna tow the car. I'm not on that bullshit, dude. All right.
My mom will go crazy, bro. I know you saw
your homeboy had weed. That's where the smell was coming from. All right. I'm gonna take the weed. I'm gonna destroy it. He's not gonna get no ticket. Nothing.
I know you saw videos of my mom, bro. She.
I've never seen your mom.
But she be crying and going crazy like.
We're not gonna fuck your day over nobody's day, all right?
Thank you, sir.
You made a mistake. Just, dude, you're on fucking. You got a lot of heat. What the fuck are you driving, dude? You can pay people to drive for you. Stop driving. All right, you're gonna catch a ticket for that. You can probably dismiss that. Whatever you do with tickets, all right? Just that we make contact with you, you're gonna get that ticket.
All right, so I could get my phone call or something.
Yeah, let me write it up. I'll release you, and then you can call whoever you want. I mean, you're gonna get a lot of heat right here, so we're gonna stand by with you.
Okay.
Just give me a second, I'll release you.
No further information.
The Broward County Sheriff, after filling out some paperwork and reviewing Kodak Black's driver's license situation again, decides to remove the handcuffs and advise him not to drive anymore. He grants him clemency without imposing any fines.
Hold this for me.
Let's go, well, I appreciate you.
Yeah, no sweat, bro.
Man, how you been first quarter? I thought you about to go crazy on me, dog. But
I'll talk to you right now, right?
All right.
I can't talk too much.
All right.
You need help out or what?
Yeah, probably.
You want to put something over your head while you do this? I'm gonna take off your handcuffs. Actually, go put a sweatshirt over your head or something, and you can go sign this. I don't really care. Up there. You can do it in your car. Sit in your car. Alright, look. This is a driving while suspended or revoked with knowledge, right? So you got to go to court for it. They're going to give you a court date to that address that you gave me at some time. Whenever you get the court notice, just go to it, alright? And then it should just, whatever you have planned that you're probably working already on your license, just say you're still on it. Whatever your defense is, you do that, alright? That shouldn't fuck you over federally. Your probation's federal, so I don't have to violate you.
I'm talking about with the license shit, because it was like I told them about this shit. They had the whole course in.
You gotta get that fixed, bro.
Just had to pay this shit, and then they was gonna reinstate it. Now they might see this and not even want to reinstate it.
Nah, bro, you should be fine. And if I go to court, I'll try to help you out there, dude.
I ain't gonna lie. I need that.
Put your thumbprint right here.
It ain't got no black on it though.
No, put your thumb right there. Hold it tight, and then just put it there. Doesn't matter.
That's it?
Yeah. And then you just gotta sign for me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just sign right here where it says delivered. Just sign right there.
Bravo 3, attention, 12 Bravo 2, can you copy on the 13?
Yeah, that's fine.
But the ticket ain't going to my mom though? It ain't gonna mess with her tag?
No. Nothing on the car. I'm not even giving you a ticket. You got pulled over for this, bro. I get you're blacked out.
Okay,
that's why I pulled you over.
Okay, I appreciate it. Now it's gonna kinda like, it ain't gonna make it look like I was doing something crazy.
No, you weren't doing nothing. You got pulled over for phone windshield tip.
Okay.
And then make contact with you. You have no license. You kind of give me no.
You could kind of try to.
Around the apartment and on the windows.
I don't know what you're gonna do for
Someone
you.
come in or out for a while. She said it was possibly vacant, but
so we're gonna stand by while somebody gets your car, right?
I ain't saying no.
Receiving a 21 delayed for a vehicle at 56 going on East 57 Court. Time delay overnight versus a mango or charges.
So we're gonna ride out, right? So I'm gonna advise you don't drive the car. Don't move it from here.
Cause they right around the corner anyway.
All right. They're around the corner.
No, I'm telling you, they around the corner. Mo back up around the corner. I ain't fucking out. Okay.
Well, just don't drive the car. All right, you know you can't drive the car. If you drive the car, it's on you.
With y'all, with respect, homie, I ain't going no.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more content.